I'm Dr. Deuk Majan here at Deuk Spine Institute with my patient who agreed to do a video for you all so you all can hear what she has to say. She had back pain for how long?
Probably 6 months.
6 months, so never before 6 months. You never had back pain before that.
Regular back pain once in a while if I worked out in the yard.
So
things like that, but not this sciatica.
So you had back pain once in a while, and then it got worse and you had constant back pain with pain down the right leg, sciatica. Right. All right, now you just got done with surgery. What surgery did you have?
Disc surgery.
Disc surgery.
Herniated disc.
She had the Deuk laser disc repair. You got to remember that because it's special.
Okay.
All right? And we went in on the right side at L5-S1 and we cleaned up the annular tear and got rid of the herniation that was causing her sciatica. So the back pain you had before today, do you still have it?
No.
It's gone. And the pain down your right leg?
No.
Gone?
Pain, yes.
So your back pain and your right leg pain are cured.
Let's hope so.
And when did you get out of surgery?
Just a little while ago.
An hour ago?
Yeah, probably about an hour.
So an hour after surgery, where are you going?
Going home.
Home. How do you feel?
Good.
She feels good. She's going home. She's got her husband here with her, and her back pain is gone, and her leg pain is gone. What more could you ask for?
Nothing. That's what I came for.
All done with an incision that big, 7 millimeters, and basically no blood loss. You had 1 drop of blood loss. Do you know that?
No.
1 drop. And no hospital. So no COVID.
Right.
No infections. All right. Anything else you want to say to the rest of the world that's trying to figure out what to do with their back pain and neck pain?
Oh, definitely do it. Get the surgery.
All right. We'll
Feels
see
good.
you. We'll see you back in, I guess, tomorrow or a week.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, and then we'll see you a week later.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank
Go
you.
have fun and behave.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome.
Thank
My
you.
pleasure.
Thanks.